the Omega International College, headed by Dr. Season Kyung, other officials, faculty, staff, graduates, and their parents, a blessed day to all of you. After spending more years of studying, you have been imagining yourself, even then, that you will receive your diploma or your medal of recognition on a well-decorated stage right in front of your fellow graduates, your mentors, and most especially with your loving parents or loved ones. And now, this is it, your graduation ceremony. My sincere congratulations, dear graduates, especially to your parents, whose unconditional love and constant guidance help you reach this far. Appreciate what they have done and think of how you can make them happy. Perhaps not with material things, but with your love and respect. Also to your mentors, the faculty members, staff, and officials of the Omega International College, congratulations for another batch of talented and skilled graduates. To you, batch 22 graduates, just to share with you that life is not about the quantity of wealth which we must produce, but what matters most is the quality we spend with life out of that wealth. Take every opportunity to contribute in all the possible ways you can to your family, to your community, to our country, and of course, to the whole world. Above all, we must appreciate even the smallest and finest gift that God provides us. Our God, who is the source of what we have, health, wealth, wisdom, hope, and strength. Again, congratulations, everyone, and have a great day ahead.